My name is Kaopun1. I am the leader of Team Blue Sky 6/8. Today, we're at CHOENGDOISUTHEP Education Wildlife Nature Studying Center. And now we're come here for hiking. But first, I'm going to introduce my friend first. So, let's go.
Hello, my name is Win, number 7.
I'm Oil, number 36. I'm Pai, number 18. 안녕, Cardphone, number 9.
Hola, I'm Chang, number 8.
Hello, P, number 12.
Hello, I'm Chang. Well, our camera got only one microphone, so we are gonna use a real instance of rock.
That's cool. By the way, what is the meaning of voiceover?
It was a production technique where a voice that is not part of a narrative in a radio, television production, filmmaking, theater, or all the presentations. It was a convenience lead for the viewers.
That's cool. Let's go to the main topic. What kind of role did you guys get? I am main camera.
I'm a secondary cameraman.
I'm Hiker A.
I am Hiker B. Sam active.
The Tower Maker and Arrow Maker.
Hiker.
First, we start at the park of the national park, then we follow the way to the forest. The weather here was dry and a little bit of dust, and we had to look on the state in test. If we not careful, it would pick us. Although we had to watch on the voice note animal, but we were lucky that we didn't find any of them.
It was so lucky that we didn't found any of them. If we found some of them, I really screamed.
I hope we will find some.
You monster.
What the hell you guys doing? Hey, let's go back to the story first. We walked through the forest, then we found our first landmark.
And actually means.
What Pata Sanchan? It means the relic of Moonlight Temple. It was an abandoned temple. It assumed that these ancient remains were structured in middle of the 20th century.
Thai people believe that before we acted an action events, we must pay the sacred spirit first so they can protect us from the evil spirits when we acted an action events.
Yeah, you're right.
Then we will to the main street. We found a sign. The sign told us about the coast road. There is 2 ways to go, so we have to choose. We choose the way that look interesting in our mind.
Yeah, and the way that we choose had a lot of slope. The way was so horrible.
On the way we go, we pay a lot joke. I was grumbling all the way about 3 dogs that tried to bite me last month.
When we walk through the street, we feel a structure is look like there are built something. But we cannot go more further. The way across, but there was one man passing through. He said that it was their way to enter the deep forest. He said we soon go there. It was dangerous, so he sent the cheese back to you another way.
We just want to know what's up there. After we know, we decide to walk back to the same way that we came.
And Chang was stumbled along the way again. It's just a little bit, bro. After we come back to the side, we encounter the crowds of the Southeast Asian cadets.
Banteng is a species of cattle found in Southeast Asia. The height and body length is between 1.9 and 3.68 meters. While the banteng are typically larger and heavier than their domesticated counterpart, but are otherwise similar in appearance. The banteng show extensive sexual dimorphism. Adult bulls are generally dark brown to black, larger and more sturdily built than adult cows, which are thinner and usually pale brown or chestnut gray. There's a big white patch on the rump. Horns are present on both sets and are typically 60 to 95 centimeters, along 24 to 37 inches long. Three such species are generally recognized.
And those budding were staring us along the way.
I have to admit it, as I was so scared at that moment.
You look so scared.
Actually, those cattle won't do anything to us. If we did have team first, some of team were just eating and sleeping.
Maybe it's because of instinct I place when we encounter an creature that we didn't know before. We naturally fear them.
I agree with you. Alright, let's back to the hiking stories.
Actually, the one that hiking is Orimi and Chang.
Sorry, don't know. I am so scared.
I am Pai18. You may not be familiar the place and it's also the forest, so the one who actually hiking is the only two of us.
And he told only two of us were actually hiking because road high.
At that moment, all of us were able to see all things.
Yeah, we nearly stopped our journey, but I still want to continue it.
So I suggest to go with her, and the other took care of Cardphone.
As he said,
Then two of us continued to hiking because I want to know what is on the top. It was a difficult hiking. We had doing something like this before when we were grade 8. It was our Boy Scout activities.
I see I also had some experience about something like this before when I was going out with some friends.
That's cool. Could you explain what we found along the journey?
We felt dry, branch, leaf, and some kind of herb and insects.
Also, we found a water pipe. So I guess there are villages near us.
But we didn't go more further because he was given up first.
Cross some tries and we didn't want to do something rigged.
I know.
So we decided to go back to the group. Today's journey ends here.
I'm gonna ask my teammate about this journey.
She was beautiful and fresh air.
Love is very good.
I raised animal. It's so cute, so amazing.
Nice! I have fun and happy.
Fabulous! Very, very fabulous! So, our journey is end now. Goodbye!